Next, we are going to create some Java packages for our project. The first is a top level package, which is a domain name in reverse com.bookstore, and then we create sub packages com.bookstore.entity, com.bookstore.diao, com.bookstore.service, com.bookstore.controller, and we also add some packages for the admin's controller. You see, and for front-end controller package. Okay, now let's go back to Eclipse IDE. Now we can close this pom.xml file, and under the source folder src you see here, right click and select new and click package, enter the top level package name, which is